The fine WSG 17 Inox angle grinder is the lightest and shortest tool of its kind and is a specialist for stainless steel processing. The combination of variable speed from 2700 through to 8500 RPM and the powerful 1700 watt motor allows grinding and finishing wheels to be used for applications ranging from satin finishing, sanding and polishing stainless steel. The safety hood can be adjusted without the use of tools, and user protection features include blockage monitoring and restart protection, soft start and electronic overload protection.